Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, in today's video I'm going to show you how to refuel a lighter. Now this lighter here arrived empty. I actually brought it online, I think I got it on eBay. And I didn't realise it was going to arrive empty, but it did. So I've done a little bit of searching online for some lighter fluid, and I've got some lighter fluid here. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fill up a lighter. Now at the bottom here you can see you've got the valve here where you put the gas, and this is the first time I'm doing this, so let's see how this goes. Now when I take off the lid of the lighter gas, it's already got one of these nib bits attached. So I'm going to try and just literally push that into the lighter and see if it's as easy as that to fill it up. Oh, it is, look at that. There we go. So it is literally as easy as that to fill up a lighter. So there we go. So that is very, very simple to refill a lighter. If we flip it open now, maybe, there we go. Look at that. So it took a little while for it to get into the lighter. There we go. So there we go, that's a very short video there to show you how to fill up a lighter. Very simple and easy. Literally just push the lighter fluid into the valve at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next part of today's video, where I'm going to be smoking a cigar for the very first time. Please subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff, and I hope you have a very nice day.